Hello students, today we are going to start another new chapter by name Reproduction in Animals. Our new chapter is Reproduction in Animals. Students, you might have seen different kinds of living organisms around us, right? We used to see so many kinds of different and variety kind of living organisms which are differ from one to another, like cat, dog, cow, sheep, birds like sparrow, pigeon, peacock, hen, and so many, and we human beings also. So we all are different in our size, shape, color, and so on, right? And how does this happen? But you might have observed human being's child will be like human being only, cat, its kitten will be its like cat only, dog's puppy will be like dog only, similarly cow's calf will be like cow only, and similarly even the birds, they will give birth to their same kind. How does all this happen? This is, and how the child it will come out, that process is called reproduction. So that we are going to discuss in this chapter how does this reproduction happens, how a living organism gives birth to the same kind of living organism. So to that, first we must need to understand what is meant by reproduction. Let us see. Reproduction means the process in which an adult organism gives birth to young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. So reproduction is a process. Okay, it's not like can any living organism suddenly will give birth to their young ones? No, it will take some time. So to develop the child, right? So hence it is called a process. So it is a process in which an adult. Adult means here elder persons. Elder means bade. So have you ever seen any child giving birth to any other child? No. Only elders can be able to give birth to their young ones. सिर्फ बड़े जो मैच्योर हुए होते हैं, सिर्फ जो बड़े हुए होते हैं, उम्र में जो बड़े होते हैं, ओनली दे कैन गिव बर्थ. सिर्फ वही बच्चा अपनी औलाद को जन्म देने के काबिल होते हैं, राइट? छोटा बच्चा will he be able to give birth? No. Hence, so reproduction it is a process in which adult means elder person. Okay, adult organism give birth to their young ones. Young ones means उनके औलाद. Okay, of their kind. Of their kind means similarly to that of the parent. That is called reproduction. Example, human beings will give birth to human beings only, cat will give birth to cat only, dog will give birth to dog only, and birds, different kinds of birds will give birth of their own kind, right? Now, so there are animals, they will reproduce in two different ways. All the animals will not reproduce in a single way. Different animals will reproduce into different ways, and majorly we are divided into two types. So animals will give birth into two types, namely the first, either some animals they will give birth, giving birth to young ones directly, and second one is by laying eggs. So you might have seen some animals they will give birth to their young ones directly, but some animals they will lay eggs and later on they will develop into the new organism. You might have seen, right? So giving birth to young ones means directly. For example, cat, dog, and we human beings, we will give birth direct to another new child. But as like laying eggs, egg laying animals, what they will do? First they will put the eggs. Next the eggs they will develop into a new living organism. For example, we can take for the birds. Best example is hen. You might have seen the hen, first it will lay the egg, later on that egg it will develop into a chick. Chick means small hen, it is called as chick. Okay, so now in today's class we will discuss in detail about the animals which reproduce by giving birth to their young ones. So in today's class, first we will discuss still more brief in detail about this reproduction process. Next we will go for this animals which give birth to their young ones. So note down all the points, students, and listen it very carefully.
Look at these pictures of animals and their young ones. A dog gives birth to cute little puppies. A lion has cubs. And a bird has little chicks. You too were a little baby when you were born, weren't you? Reproduction. All animals have the ability to produce more of their own kind, mainly by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. This is called reproduction. Let us learn something more about reproduction in animals. Animals that give birth to young ones. Animals that give birth to young ones are called mammals or viviparous animals. The young ones develop inside the female animal's body and are delivered once the full term is over. Mammals have hair on their body. They have mammary glands that produce milk in the females. The mother feeds this milk to the newborn. Dogs, whales, elephants, human beings are some examples of mammals. Platypus, though a mammal, still lays eggs. Care of the young ones. Animals take care of their young ones for a brief period after their birth. Mammals feed their young ones their own milk. Birds too bring bits of food and keep feeding their young ones. They also stay around their nest to protect their babies from other animals that may want to hunt them. Here are some examples of love and bonding between animals and their young ones. The mother cow feeds its young calf immediately after she gives birth. Baby dolphins stay close to their mother for up to 5 years. Kangaroos carry their young ones in their pouches from birth right up to the time they cannot fit into it. Elephants stay in their herds to protect their young ones or calves. Birds feed their young ones until they can fly out of the nest to find their own food.
And that was this about today's class. The further content, that is about the animals giving reproduce by laying eggs, about this we shall discuss in the next class. Thank you.